Hey everyone, I'm graphic designer Tino Daly, and today I'll be giving you a quick look into my process of creating logos for businesses. First off, before any sketch is done, I like to ask questions about the business to get an idea of who they are or who they're trying to reach. Some history about the business, is it located near any iconic landmark, etc. I then write down words associated with the company. For example, let's say it's a construction company. I make a list of the tools and services provided by the company or anything else that's directly or indirectly involved with the company. This will allow me to explore possible ways to create a unique graphic element to represent the business either directly or abstractly. Now the sketching phase begins. Based off all the research I've gathered, I start to create a number of possible ideas to explore, and certain intricate decisions have to be made, such as, does the client want the logo to look traditional or modern? Should the typeface be thick or thin? Does it need to be an icon, or is a word mark good enough? This phase can be tricky and may take some time to get to the most desirable outcome. After sketching is complete, I then proceed to upload the sketch to my computer where it can be digitally designed using Adobe Illustrator. Adobe Illustrator is the industry standard vector graphics creation program which gives you the ability to create graphics that don't lose quality when resized. This is perfect as your logo needs to be able to fit on the smallest screen as well as the largest billboard. I tend to experiment with a number of typefaces by laying them all out to visualize which one would work best based off their unique design, matches the vision of the company, and the message the company is determined to convey. Also, somewhere in the middle of design, additional feedback could be acquired to ensure less need for revisions and narrowing the result for the final logo. Okay, great. Now the logo is complete, it needs to be exported in the right formats so it can be used in any medium. So for example, JPEGs for profile pictures, PNGs for placing the logo over photos, videos, or any print medium, and an EPS file just in case they need it for a much bigger format. Thanks everyone for hanging out with me today to learn my process of logo design. See you in the next video. Bye bye.